To keep your i-mop in top condition and ensure the best cleaning results, there is some maintenance you should do. In this video, we are going to show you the weekly maintenance step by step. First, turn off your i-mop and put it in storage position. Then, take off the batteries and put them on the official charger. Then, it's time for the tanks. Make sure you first remove the empty i-dose cup. After that, take off the clean water tank and empty it. Screw off the filter at the bottom, like this. Clean the filter under running water and make sure it isn't blocked. Here you can see what a blocked filter and a clear filter looks like. When it's clean, put it back in the solution tank. This is also the perfect time to refill the i-dose storage on the clean water tank. You can do this by simply pushing the i-dose cups into place. Make sure you don't put the tank down on the filter, as this can damage it. Always put the tank down like this. Then, take off the dirty water tank and take out the floating ball system. Rinse it with clean water. When done, put it back. Then empty the dirty water tank and add fresh water to it. Shake it gently and clean it with the provided brush. Then, empty it again. Then, it's time to clean the squeegee. Take it off with equal force so you don't damage the metal pins. Clean the blade and suction opening with running water. The brushes are next. Take them off by rotating the right one to the right and the left one to the left, like this. Then clean them with running water. Also, notice this yellow brush indicator. When the brushes go over this indication line, it is time to replace the brush. It's important to keep the dirty water hose clean and in good condition. To clean the dirty water hose, you will have to take it out. First, detach the top part of the hose and detach the middle section. Then lower the scrub deck and pull out the bottom part of the hose. Then screw off the white connector and clean it with water. Then do the same with the black connector. Clean the hose by letting fresh water run through it. Then reattach both connectors. Now it's time to put back the dirty water hose. First, reattach the top part. Put down the scrub deck and reattach the bottom part. Pull up the scrub deck and make sure the bottom connector is attached correctly. You can do this by pressing it down firmly. Then, make sure the middle section is placed in the designated spot. Now is a good time to clean the exterior of the i-mop to keep it in good condition. Then put back the dirty water tank and the solution tank. Remember to leave off the caps so the tanks can ventilate. Then take a damp cloth with only water and clean the scrub deck. Take extra care in cleaning these water nozzles, as this enables the i-mop to give water. Then take off the splash guards. You can do this by pulling it away from the scrub deck. You can now clean them under running water. When clean, put them back by placing them like this and push them into place. When all clean, put back the brushes by rotating the right one to the left and the left one to the right. Then put the squeegee back into place, again, with the same force on each side so you don't damage the metal pins. Do these steps weekly and your i-mop will always give you the best cleaning results. If you need more information or want to submit a service request, please scan this QR code.